Okay, Mr. Foster, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, what's happening is this. She's out and she's partying, she's having fun, she's doing all this stuff like all on social media. She's a social media influencer. I met her because I'm one of her super fans.
Oh,
yeah.
This is
and
cute.
How it happened was that we, since I'm a super fan, I'm kind of following her around, see what she's doing. But she actually called for me to cater to one of her areas, which is how we actually hooked up from there, because I'm a chef.
Okay.
We have one child together, and she's not really doing the things that she's supposed to do as a mom.
It all began with a double tap online, but now the story is inside the courtroom. A superfan who became a private chef is demanding real responsibility. He claims she has replaced parenting with social media, choosing parties over family. But is this just about fame? Or is there a deeper truth? The judge, the child, and the decision await.
Supporting the child, being there for them, paying any Medicaid or so, dealing with for the child. I practically do all that. And I brought her here today just to say, hey, you gotta step up your game. You gotta do something, help out this child, because I can't be the only supporter if you're here supposed to do something as well. I mean, I can do it, but I do need a little bit more income for that.
Okay, I'm a little bit more interested in the background. You know, how you became a super fan and you hooked up.
Well, I'm a follower.
I mean, I don't need all the details about, how the child was conceived. I'm just interested to see how that works.
He's not asking for luxury, only some help to raise their child. Medical bills, emotional care, and equal partnership. That's his request. But when romance starts on social media, can it survive in reality? As the judge examines their unusual influencer meets chef story, one fact becomes obvious. This hearing isn't only about custody. It's the collapse of a carefully built online fantasy.
Well, I'm the type of guy that I always post all my stuff, letting people know this is what I do, like all my catering stuff and all that. But when it comes to her, I know that she does all this stuff, and I know she's a big influencer, and she pretty much puts everything out there. She's really, when it comes to making it to a live stream, she can do that. She has that. But so that's what I did. I actually reached out to her in that way, and that's how I got more of my influence out there, so I can actually start catering and partying to catering to all these parties.
Okay, all right. And so you want her to pay child support?
Yes.
All right. And you said the child is on Medicaid,
yes.
Correct? Okay.
His catering business grew alongside her popularity, but now he wants more than promotion. He seeks accountability as their social media relationship crumbles under legal pressure. The big question is, did he follow her out of love or for opportunity? When she steps forward to defend herself, her words about motherhood may shock everyone listening inside the courtroom.
All right, is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her?
No.
Okay. Ma'am, welcome. I'm honored. Social media influencer?
It's crazy.
Yeah, it is, but what does that have to do with you being a mom?
I'm out there trying to make money and trying to support my child. I do send him money. I'm just trying to grow my business.
How much money do you send him?
It just depends on what's going on during the week, what I have and what my income is each month.
Now she faces the spotlight. A businesswoman, influencer, and mother. Her priorities in that order. She insists she sends money when possible, but in front of the court, sometimes isn't enough. The excuses stack higher, and the judge isn't impressed. How much does she truly contribute, and what's hidden behind filters and fans? The numbers are about to reveal the truth.
Average, how much money are you getting from her, if any?
She only sends about maybe like $200-300.
$200 or $300? You're a social media influencer?
Well, I'm still growing my business. I mean, I'm
right.
But she parties. It's all over. It's online. It's like she's everywhere.
And you're getting paid for these appearances,
and you
right?
party too. That's how we met.
No, I was catering to your.
You were catering
to one of your parties. Yes.
Oh.
So I wasn't really partying. I was catering. I had to work it.
Right. That's what they're calling catering these days. Being a super fan. I get it.
It was one time.
One time, and you all had the baby?
Yeah, don't take that long.
Well, that's true.
$200 a month for a child, while she earns thousands from viral events. The courtroom is stunned. He catered her party. She called it business. But together they created more than content. They share a child who deserves better. The tension grows as the judge listens closely, and the mother's next admission threatens to change everything completely.
He is making a good income as well.
Right, but the child is with him, so
Yes.
his income is not really concerning
Because
for me.
I travel.
Right, and you're being paid for your travel. Exactly. How much are you making, roughly?
Maybe about 100,000.
You're making about $100,000 and you send him $200 or so for the baby?
Yes.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I'm not about to do this with you. You're making a lot of money and your child is coming up short, and you don't have a problem with that?
No, I do have a problem with that. I would like him.
She earns over $100,000 yearly, but provides very little support. The judge leans in, reminding everyone this isn't only about wealth. It's about priorities. She wants her son traveling with her, living in the spotlight. But is it love for her child or control over her image? The reckoning is near, and her choices reveal what truly matters most.
Want the baby to be on social media for likes and follows.
Oh, it might be something that...
Like, what about school and all those other
He can
academic
do
things that he has to
homeschool
do?
when he's 3.
So
where
he's
is
going to
he
be on
homeschooling? In
virtual
hotels and stuff
school
like
with
that?
likes and followers?
You see it all the time. Why not? I mean,
Right, but don't you believe that that's a distraction?
no, I mean, I feel like, I'm making a pretty good income, and I think that this could really help him when he's older and to save up some money.
Well, if you're making a pretty good income, you can send more.
I agree with that.
Maybe you could work harder.
No, ma'am. Maybe you can work harder to be in your child's life.
She wants her young child included in her online world. But at what price? The judge sees distraction. She sees opportunity, while the courtroom sees a mother putting career above family. Can an empire built on likes excuse neglect? With school, safety, and stability on the line, the judge prepares for a ruling she never expected to face.
How often do you have the child?
When he allows the child to be with me when I'm not traveling.
Oh, okay. So when you're not traveling, that's how often?
Really, a couple of days a month.
Exactly. You made that up. This is what we're going to do. We're going to place you on child support based on that $100,000 a year, ma'am. Yeah, and don't look confused. It's the right thing to do. It is absurd that you believe it is okay to only send a couple of $100s to dad for your child, and you actually think that it's okay for your child to be toting along with you to grow your social media influence? Yeah, no, that's not where we're going to.
2 days a month. That's all the time she spends with her child. Her shock is visible when the judge declares $100,000 income means equal child support. This isn't punishment, it's fairness. Parenting can't be part-time, and social media doesn't secure a child's future. Just as it seems final, another twist comes, leaving her owing even more than before.
Needs to be in an environment that is stable. Need to make sure that school is being attended to. How old is this child?
About 3.
3 years old. No. Kindergarten will be here before you know it. He does not need to be traveling and going to homeschool and virtual school all over the country or wherever it is that you have to appear. You'd agree with me, right?
I guess I have to.
No, you don't have to, but don't you believe that's in the best interest of the child to be somewhere stable?
Well, I think the best interest of the child would be with me, and if I'm growing a business and I can take care of them.
And you believe that because you're the mom?
Yes.
Oh, well, that's not going to happen today.
The child is 3. Kindergarten is approaching, but she wants him traveling between hotels and airplanes while she creates content. The judge strongly disagrees. Stability is essential. School is necessary, and entitlement isn't evidence. When she argues, "But I'm the mother," the courtroom grows tense. The decision is almost here, and the final numbers will decide everything.
What we're going to do is base your child support off that $100,000 that you testified to, that makes your gross $8,333.33, bringing your net to $6,212.37. That makes your monthly child support obligation $1,242. Now, you mentioned Medicaid.
Yes.
Medicaid is not free. He doesn't have to pay for it, but you do. So it's based on 9% of your gross, which your gross is that $8,300 that I said earlier, that brings your reimbursement to Medicaid $750.
Nearly $1,900 every month. The courtroom falls silent as the judge announces the figure like a sentence. Medicaid, she must pay. Insurance, she must handle. This isn't a bill, it's a reality check. Her online fame may bring money, but parenthood requires true sacrifice. Yet her final reaction leaves everyone waiting, because this battle still holds one last surprise.
You can find somewhere on, private health insurance. I'm pretty sure you can find it a lot cheaper. Maybe one of your followers is a health insurance agent or something, and they can get you something cheaper, okay? So based on that, $1,242 plus $750 brings your monthly child support obligation to $1,992. You're going to pay that monthly to Dad. Any questions?
No, I don't have any.
Why did you look at him?
Because I was just thinking he's making more money, he's doing more gigs.
That's great, and so are you. And if you make any more money doing more gigs, we can just increase your child support. Anything further?
Nope.
Is there anything further, sir?
No.
Okay, nothing further. You all are dismissed.
The case is over. $1,992 each month is her new obligation. She shows no tears, no anger, only a glance at the man caring for their child. The judge reminds her, more work means more responsibility. This is about maturity, not popularity. The case closes, but questions about her future remain. Was justice served? Share your thoughts in the comments.